Good morning, and welcome to the show. Today, we're spending another day in tutorial hell, our favorite place. Um, yeah, I have some reasons to want to figure out how to do mobile dev. Like I've said, I've got some platform issues where I run Windows locally. I've got this like ancient ass MacBook over here, um, back from like middle school. Uh, that unfortunately I played a little bit too much Minecraft on and fried the GPU. So I've been trying to uh, run Xcode on there and get things compiling. So I spent like a day or so setting it up so that you could or setting up some like open core stuff to get latest iOS on it, or Mac OS on it, which is like Sequoia. This thing only supported up to, oh, I don't even remember, natively some like a really ancient version of Mac OS, and so like it couldn't do anything. Couldn't install Brew. Couldn't install Xcode CLI tools. It was a disaster. Now it's updated, but the hardware is just like too shitty, unfortunately, to really do much of anything on. Even just try to run like the Xcode compiler. I've been trying to just like SSH into it and run stuff through there when I have to, but not working. So being able to sort of build native apps myself for targeting iOS, unfortunately, not an option. So right now we're gonna go with the with the Expo route. Um, so I have very very limited experience doing mobile dev, but this is not actually my first rodeo here. And I've used Expo before, but this was maybe like, 4 or 5 years ago, when Expo was like I think not nearly as popular versus like just using React directly, um, or React Native directly. Sorry, but now like I wanted to go in and just like through like the React Native website and kind of like get started through there, and they immediately said, "Fuck off, just go use Expo instead." So I was like, okay, I was trying to do it the right way and learn from the ground up here, but they're saying to go piss off too. If Zuckerberg tells me that I should go use this other company's tool, I'll go do it. So here we are. Um, so this is like the just tutorial to get some kind of Expo thing up and running on and deployed locally through Expo Go. So we're just gonna do that, figure out how all this stuff works, um, and yeah, we'll take things from there, I guess. But first, of course, we have to have our tea of the day. Maojian green tea. This is the last. This will be the last day of it, unfortunately. Both my green teas sort of died out at the same time here. So we're going to do our pour, and we'll do a sip of this delicious tea. All right, and let's get started here. Okay, so this is all the crap that we're going to do. Now, I've never, or actually, no, I have very briefly used React in like college to stand up some kind of like one screen barcode scanner app, but I did not do anything particularly well. And I think we may have even like switched over to like Flutter halfway through or something. I don't remember. But my experience with using like these um, big frameworks in web dev world very limited. I've always been more in the embedded side of things. Um, anyway, let's just get in here. Okay, start. So I've taken the liberty of of setting up all of this stuff um, ahead of time, or at least most of this. So we have we've got our default template. Okay, I'm gonna download this asset archive, I guess. Okay. And then we'll dump it in our folder here. What do I want? In assets? What is already in here? This comes with... Why would they put all this junk in here? Alright, whatever. Alright, so now we want npm run reset project. So I think this blows away, yeah, all of the like sort of junk code that was producing the blah blah blah. That was kind of producing like a default page to go to. So let's open up another, and then we'll on here, or how do we do expo start? I think. Fuck. npm expo start. Damn it. npx expo start. Yeah, see, I'm not no web guy, but we'll get there. So I think we need to turn it to go. So I wonder if you can make that like a default flag here somewhere. Let's see. I would imagine they would put it in the scripts folder. Does not look like it. EAS.json. Test expo. Oh, here we go. Start. I just do. Can I try that? Did that work? Nope. Okay. Alright, let's go fix that in case that broke anything. Now this is like I think the node file here. That's TypeScript. I think this is like a real file here. Yeah, it's actually part of the project. Yeah, I don't know. Settings.json. Alright, whatever. Fuck it. As long as we can do this, right? That should be good enough. Because I think that'll let us like do our hot reloading, everything we need. Get Discord messages. Yeah, so my buddy and I are working on this some image classification stuff, preferably without having to get a PhD in it. Oh, this is like 10 years out of date. We'll figure something out. But right now, you know, I gotta focus on this thing. Okay, so yeah, what does this do? Yeah, it just like dumps out all like the default stuff. Run the web app. Now I want it to run in my Android emulator here. There we go. Oh, it's running on Expo Go in Android? Oh. So I just tried this out like a couple seconds ago, or a couple minutes ago before the stream, and what was it? I had it actually building to native Android, but it was through EAS, I think. Also, why did this really need to spawn like two different fucking things here? Not attach. Use without an account. Okay, good. This builds locally. I do not want this to build through EAS. That's that's unnecessary. All right. Oh my god, my performance is chunky. All right. Why? How like effed am I right now? Ooh my god. Holy smokes. Why, Discord, why? What is the purpose? Oh my god. That's ridiculous. I get why the Android emulator is eating up so much. But come on. Alright, we gotta tell Discord to go F itself for a little bit here. Wow. Jesus Christ. OBS uses so much GPU. I think I've heard it gets better if I like drag it a little bit off screen, so it doesn't have to real-time render the what is it, the little audio visualizer crap. It seems to have gotten a little better. Usually that helps a lot, like when I'm doing my game stuff. Like I just drag it off screen and like, oh, got like 200 FPS back. Okay, let's see if we can relaunch Discord and have it not be chunking here. Okay, alright, cool. Alright, so I think we're okay for now as long as Discord doesn't eat up all my system memory again. So we'll figure that out. Alright, so yeah, we have this up on board. Alright, edit the index screen is the entry point here. Uses some React Native components. So import a style sheet from React Native Create Styles object. Where does this go? It goes in app slash index slash TypeScript. Okay, so we have to import that. I see. And then so this is all in like a Flex container here. Hold on, let me turn off my AC. Oh, that fan drives me nuts. All right. So yeah, let's see here. So if it's just like in the return here, So this screen is defined as a function. The layout of the screen is a function. Okay. All right. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, so let's take our const styles. Oh, we already have this here. Oh, whoops. Okay. Oh, ha ha ha. Contain term. Alright, how's that? Then background color. Yeah, see, I think AI types about 10% of my code too. Two five two nine two E. 25292E. Oh, that would be fine. Alright, so did that hot reload? Oh, it did hot reload. Ah, look at that. That's awesome. That's sweet. Wow, this thing is fucking slow to click and drag around. I wonder whose fault that is. Alright, gotta deal with this image classification stuff here. Let's take a look. So my friend, the other Alex, we call him, he's looking at training stuff right now. Training a new for object detection. Oh boy, Python. And so he's saying you need like a gigabyte worth of training data here to figure shit out. So do you have to, is this like manual labeling? Or no? So I just came up with the idea. We'll train train AI to look at Pokemon. Tell us which Pokemon are which. That'll be fun. We'll see how that turns out. 94% cat, 5% dog. Okay. All right, back to work here. So okay, yeah. So this is CSS, or it's like CSS flavored looking, um, and that's just a React component that does it. All right, I get that. I understand what's going on here. I'm not lost yet, thankfully. It does confuse me. Why is this? Oh, so this is a function, so it doesn't need the semicolon at the end, but this does because it's a const style sheet. All right, yeah, we get it. All right, let's see here. So blah blah blah. Nice, we did it. We did it. We made our screen. All right, add navigation. I don't want to watch a video. All right, Extra Router is a file-based routing framework for React Native web apps. Manage navigation between screens using across multiple platforms. App directory. So any files added to this folder here. Or actually, where am I? This folder. This folder right there. This one. Become a screen, site or native act, and a page on the web. And how does that work? So it does it for web? Does it like auto link stuff together? I would like to try that. So did opening on the web kill this? It doesn't look like it. That's good. Can I, if I fuck around with this, will it hot reload both of them? Ah, awesome. All right, that's pretty badass. Okay, all right, I'm expo pilled. Let's see here. So, all right, so all these things. Let's try to make another page. So if we just yap, or here, we just grab this whole thing. Where am I right now? Second.tsx. So if I just have a second page here, and I go here to like /second, does that work? No, of course not. Okay. All right. Well, so we'll back it up here. Oh, one sec. Let me send my buddy this. How do I get like the link to my stream? Average view duration. I have an average view duration that's more than 0. That's crazy. Let me try this. Does this work? Oh, is this embedding it? Oh, okay. That's not what I want. I want to just link my stream to someone. Is that so difficult? Oh. Haha. Okay, let's get rid of that. All right. Let's see here. All right, back to work. Any files added to this directory screen, blah blah. Okay, so root layout. So what the hell is layout? Oh, well, look, because it made this thing out here. So I actually thought NeoVim, it treated like your working directory as if it were wherever you opened the first file, not where you actually run it out of. That may have been erroneous. How do I? Oh, fuck it. I don't know how to do this in NetRW. Let's move second into app. Okay, now does that work? Oops. Ah, look at that. Excellent. Genius. Alright, so let's try here. So, alright, what is a screen stack? I think I've heard this before, that a mobile, you put, like, your screens live in some kind of stack object, which is like a little weird sounding to me. Hmm. Interesting. Okay, yeah, so I think you like push to the screen stack whenever you do something. Yeah, like that's what it's saying right here. Alright, let's read this. Read the fucking wiki. Alright, so what is this here? We have this root layout function. So is this like the define shared UI elements such as headers and tab bars so they can system between different routes? What is a route? So Expo router, especially. So are they just calling like screens routes? Is that just that's just it? Okay, all right. Um, so index file names such as index tsx match their parent directory and do not add a path segment. Matches the slash route. Okay, yeah, sure. Okay. Route file. Actually, no, this is a route. That's a route. we'll keep it consistent. Exports a React component as its default value. These are blah blah. Okay, you know what? I didn't really get that. That's fine. All right, add a new screen to the stack. Okay, so let's go to the second here. I'll rename it to about. Okie doke. So, all right. So what are we doing here? So yeah, we're keeping the same style sheet. Do I have to keep propagating this around, or can I dump this style sheet to find somewhere else? Right. Define shared UI elements. Does that include like this variable? I don't know. I don't know. Okay, whatever. Yeah, we already did that. All right, so inside layout, we need to add another thing here. So does this automatically create a nav bar, or how does this work? Title. Okay. So what did that do? I don't think that. Oh wait. So that did actually add something up top here, but it didn't add something for this. did it do something here? So how do I actually? Oh fuck! Did that crash out? uh, where's Expo? I don't know. We want this one. Cannot connect to Metro. Oh, did this crash? Oh shit! Did I like break the build here? Ooh, uh-oh. Okay, this is not good. All right, we've effed something up here. Um, How come I cannot scroll in this window? Okay, so that's not good. Look at this. So that's how we add a thing. Oh, that's what it means. That's what this. Okay, I get it. But why did this why did it like close the connection to Metro here? Is that, I don't know. Whatever. All right, so we can go to. Oh, that's not right. So we can go back to index here, and we can add a link from Expo Router. So that's not a React Native component, right? Okay, it makes sense. Makes sense. From Expo Router. Are you telling me that I don't have to that importing libraries in JavaScript doesn't require me to set up CMake? Where has this been all my life? Okay. Slash aboot. Why is that? Oh, okay. So, styles that, oh, I have to add a button styles. Or use our favorite color, I guess, FFF. Why only 3 Fs? Oops. Also, I don't know in JavaScript. I don't think double quote versus single quote matters. I could be wrong about that. It doesn't appear to be making like a difference here. Okay, well, let's see. Did that? Look at that. So so I get, this is a stack, right? A nav stack. So if I'm here, is like the other page like still in memory somewhere? I also have never used the memory part of like a browser debugger, so I have no idea. So what does this like do when I click through this stuff? Because it should be running some JavaScript thing, right? No, start recording. How the fuck does this work? Oh, I don't want to do that. Yeah, I don't know. Because I've done like a little bit of browser debugging in the past for my like sorter crap app thing. I don't know. I don't know how I can see like what happens, or like where in my browser memory like it's hiding the other thing. Because I'm thinking like if screens are always implemented in a stack like this in this router. If you keep just opening screens till the end of time, you're gonna like eat up all your system memory. You know, even if it's like you turn off rendering for like other shit, like how how quickly can you how quickly can you break that? Um, and I don't quite understand what the like I get this. Oh, also yeah, this definitely crashed out. How do I so how do I reconnect to how do I reconnect to this? Uh, how do I? Oh man, I really do not remember how you access this like uh, debug screen in here because I think it was some like shortcut that's like it's like three fingers. Oh no, that's an Expo Go. This is the real app, and it's effed right now. Um, let's see. So if I try to reopen it as development build from here, will that fix that? Okay, so that appears to have fixed it. Now, why did it lose connection in the first place? That I don't know. that I'm not quite sure, and that scares me. But it'll be fine for now. All right, so we got that crap working. Excellent, excellent, good. Add a not found route. Ah, okay. Um. Oh, so this is like just a generic fallback. Uh. Okay. Well, this is like some special fucking thing. It's not a. All right. So let's do that. Plus not minus found. Okay. Not found screen component. Oh yeah. So did it? I don't think it mattered that my on here this component. I call it a function because it says function. But you might call it a component. That it so it didn't matter that that was um, not called index, or that was called index, right? Well, here it is. Oh, I, yeah, I don't know, because index is like this is I think one of the creepy parts of JavaScript is living in like the big JavaScript ecosystem is that there are all of these like creepy default things. And it's not like those don't exist in C too, but it's I don't know. Like I just don't know enough right now to say what's going on there. Anyway, this is our not found screen. I wonder if this one has to have the component specially named. Let's try without it. So why does this one need the stack component? What is it using there? Stack.screen options. Uh-oh. What did I do wrong? Someone's not happy here. Why is this not happy? I don't understand. Show me the syntax error and I'll show you the crime. But I don't see it. JSX expressions must have one parent element. Oh. that is interesting. I have to create like a fake element out here. I don't know about that. All right. Like that can't just work in like the global scope of this function. No, in the function scope, it has to live in here. Oh, because it's like an HTML, right? Yeah, this is. I think this is where like just jumping into React here is like freaking me out, because like I've like done very minimal JavaScript dev, and definitely like minimal even less TypeScript. So like whatever's going on here is like really creepy. Why do they look at JavaScript all this time? Yeah, there's some creepy shit going on in JavaScript land. Bro, I don't know what this thing why you need that stuff. Okay. Alright, anyway. Let's move forward here. Oops, styles. Dot. Oh, I forgot to bring that over. Should be in here, right? Wait, what? Oh, fuck. Did I not write this? Oh, whoops. Oh, I was in the wrong stupid thing. Ah, god damn it. Alright, fine. Alright, what was the creepy name? Plus not. Oh, oops. Okay, and then reading that back to this one can be. Oh, God. I'm not used to enter actually working in Vim the way I wanted to. Okay, alright, here we go. So let's see how that works. Go to a bad screen. Oh. So how do I force it to, oh, okay, so I can just do that by spoofing. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. So if I do that from here, will it actually add to the stack correctly? Like, will I go, no. So it like completely, it'll like, what happens? So does my stack get blown up? I don't know. Stack.screen. Yeah, what happens to like what's in there? I don't know. I don't think there's a way for me to force getting it. Oh Jesus. Force. Why is right click semi-home? Who made this emulator? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what the story is here. Where does my stack go? Oh no, that did do it. Yes. Okay. All right, great. Okay, so it does not blow that up. That's good to know. Good to know. All right. So that must be Expo Router has this like creepy not found screen thing. I would guess because it's an Expo Router component. We'll see. We'll see. All right. Add a bottom tab navigator. Okay. Reuse the existing home and about screen tab layout. Blah blah. Like X or Blue Sky? Never heard of it. Do you mean Mastodon? Do you mean Parler? We'll use Stack Navigator relay out. So blah. Okay, I don't quite know what that means. Is there a way for me to actually profile, like see what the hell is going on in like in here though? Because I want to actually see, I want to see this the stack here. I want to see the stack. Oh look, if you, that does not try to push a new screen to the stack. Interesting. I want to see this in memory. Can I like attach a debugger to that? Or do I have to like open this up through how to debug reactive? How to set VS Code as a debugger. Let's see here. Browser. Should I? Is this something I should just be using the browser for to do? Blah blah. I wonder. I have my remedy. Oh, that's not. Is that not in my path right now? I have this debugger I use for C stuff, but I don't know if it works with JavaScript. I would assume not. Because this thing, I think this is like PDB based. Yeah, so I think whatever I use has to export PDBs to use this debugger. Which means I think I'm stuck. I'm stuck using the stupid in-browser one. Oh, what did I just do? So again, like how do I actually see in memory here? Do I need to take a snapshot? Oh, look at that. Okay, that's something. Aggregate. Dominators. What is a dominator? I don't know. Oh god, what the fuck is this? Oh my god. Some kind of giant alien spacecraft here. Of all these things. Okay, this looks like a science experiment here to figure out what is going on. But I really can't, there's no like from garbage collector roots. Yeah, okay, alright. Yeah, there's like no way for me to like see in real time how this changes. Do I have to like keep snapshotting this? Because that kind of sucks. That's like not very helpful to me. Object sandbox. So where is this stupid where is this like navigator stack? I don't know. Because like look at this. This is just telling me like how much memory like different like object types are taking. That's fucking stupid. Well this actually because all of my functions are the screen layout ones. Should make sense that that's a big one. What is just object? I have no idea. Document? I don't know what's going on in there. Well, we'll worry about that later. Let's make our nav bar. Yeah, that's very important. So let's see here. So, oh, they, how come these were, you added those in there. Import tabs. Wait, what? What? Oh, tabs file? Tabs folder? Oh, interesting. So what happens if so in this case here we've now moved the root one down into a subdirectory, right? So why will it still actually know to go there? So supposedly. That's like a little creepy. Stack screen tabs. This is how tab navigators. Root layers. Header shown. That sounds like a bunch of gobbledygook to me. Okay. All right, fine. We'll just do it. Okay, so let's do. Okay, good. That did not do what I wanted. Export testing. Oh, god damn it. And then this does not like refresh. Yeah, I felt that. Okay. Oh, I fucked that up. All right, give me 1 sec. Remedy BG debugger. So, is it Windows only? I actually don't remember. Yeah, it is Windows only. It's I do quite like it. It's pretty fast. You don't need Visual Studio installed, which is like the big plus of it. I can show you what that looks like. So, this one, does this compile right now? I think it will. Okay, so let's get out of here. I think, what is it? So R. Oops. Oh, fuck. I don't remember what my hotkey is for this. It's not in there, it's in here. It's not in there, it's in here. Leader R. Leader DB. Ah, okay, good. Ah, balls. Working directory not valid. What do you mean working directory not valid? Oh. I think that's because I effed something up here. Yeah, hold up. That's why. Yeah, so so Remedy BG lightweight, uh, lightweight debugger for anything that produces PDBs. I like it. It's all like made in ImgGUI, so it's pretty fast. It has that ImgGUI look. Um, where's my source file? It kind of kind of just does everything I want it to. It does cost money, unfortunately, but yeah, it's a thing. Like it's got all the watch points. You can set my breakpoints, blah blah blah. Do all the debugger stuff. I don't remember if it lets you do the creepy thing Visual Studio does, where you can change where you are in execution by like dragging around the arrow or whatever. Yeah, I use this to get assembly. What is it? If I'm like just stopped somewhere. Why am I not? Why is that not breaking? I fucked around with my environment a lot recently, so I did probably break some of this stuff. But these like watch entries are like pretty fast. They're good. They pipe out to major C's, which is kind of what I need most of the time. Yeah, it's a cool tool. Probably overkill if you're like you don't really need a debugger. Or apparently if you're using JavaScript. But yeah, it's fun. Okay, so we got like scant little time here before on the clock, so let's try to make good use of that. Oh, first by removing that fake directory. Whoops. Oh, fuck, I always forget PowerShell, which one it is. There we go. Okay, so that's what we wanted. Just move that in here. Yeah, I don't think it. I hope it does not matter what these functions are called. Oh, did they want me to like call? Oh, they. All right, fine. Does it really have to be parent? I don't know. Beats me. So, my assumption here is that this not found being on this root layout now will allow us to serve this kind of from wherever, so it doesn't need to be exposed in all the other layouts. But it didn't. I wasn't exposing it in a layout in the first place. So maybe it just like knows that if it's in like the same directory as the rest of your screen files. I'm not sure. I'll call this stupid paren tabs. God. Now I have to move. I gotta move these. Ah, shit. I just don't know NetRW well enough to be able to do that with any speed. What was it? Alright, paren tabs. Oh god, that really fucks everything up. I don't like that. Oh Jesus. Yeah, I kind of hate that. Can I not do that? Whatever. Let's see. So did that work? Are we still cruising here? I do not see a bottom nav bar. Go home. Something fucked up. See, that looks like a problem to me. Because it crashed. Okay. Okay. So, yeah, it does not show that on there. I think I have to like redeploy maybe. Yeah, let's see. So do I get this bottom nav bar? No, I do not. Did I miss something? Tabs dot screen. I think I did. Import. Oh yeah, that would do it. Okay, there we go. Oh, excellent. So that doesn't add them to a stack though. It like just because there's no back button. Oh, it puts them in here. Oh, that I don't like. Yeah, that looks kind of butt ugly. So from here you can't see it, which makes sense because now it's this thing is local here. Okay. All right, we've got 5 minutes. What are we gonna do? Import some icons. All right, well, we'll try to finish this off here. Why is this all blue? I don't know. Whatever. Okay. So I think this like arrow operator is like a function define, from what I understand. My poor layout right now. where am I getting color from? Oh, yeah, from the parameter of that function. All right. Okay. Wait, what did I? What? Background color of the. Okay, wait. So did that do? Oh, look, that did it. Oh, okay, that's cool. You know, that's good enough for now. Okay, now we'll try to squeeze that in. Really need a. All right, you know what? That's good enough. That kind of looks like what I wanted to. All right, so we have ourselves a beautiful little mobile app here with 3 screens that all look the same and do nothing. That'll be good. So that's it for today. It's time for real work and yeah, doing some fun stuff. Thank you all for watching. May you have a